Hi everyone, today let's talk about the spring market and why now is the perfect time to sell your home. The Multiple Listing Services 2024 Showing Report reveals some key insights that can help you make an informed decision. As you can see from this chart, the highest showing activity occurs in the months of February, March, and April, at least for 2024 and 2023. So, if you're interested in selling, now is the time to take advantage of the early spring activity. Historically, May has been our biggest month for closing. This trend has remained consistent for the past 20 years with only a few exceptions. If we have more closings in May, this means properties need to be under contract March or April. Putting your home on the market in early spring, late winter offers several advantages. First, you benefit from increased buyer interest as the weather warms up and families plan to personalize their beach house before summer and collect rental income. This heightened activity translates to more showings and potentially higher offers. Additionally, buyers are keen to purchase in the spring to take advantage of summer rental income. By securing a property now, they can maximize their investment by collecting rental income during the peak summer season. While many sellers think they should list in April or May, the showing activity clearly indicates that now is the optimal time to get your property on the market. In summary, listing in the spring maximizes your exposure, leverages peak buyer activity, and can lead to quicker and more lucrative sales. Don't miss out on this prime opportunity to showcase your home. If you're considering selling, let's connect and make the most of this spring market. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you achieve your real estate goals.